Welcome back, students. Let us understand the next point, public debt. What is public debt? Like private individual, the government also needs to raise loans. In fact, raising debt is the common activity of any government because government expenditure generally exceeds government revenue. Public debt policy of the government plays an important role in public finance. There are two types of public debt. One, internal debt. Second, external debt. Now let us understand what is internal debt. When the government borrows from citizens, banks and central bank, financial institution, business houses within the country, it is known as internal debt. That means in India itself, government is borrowing from the people, from the bank, from RBI, from financial institution, business houses. So this is called as internal debt. Now what is external debt? External debt means when the government borrows from foreign governments, foreign banks or institution, international organizations like International Monetary Funds, World Bank, etc. It is known as external debt. The following table shows the difference between internal debt and external debt. Internal debt is raised within the economy, that means in the country, and external is raised outside the economy, like from any other country, from International Monetary Fund or World Bank. Indian government gets a debt that is called as external debt. Second, internal debt is voluntary or compulsory in nature, and external debt is voluntary in nature. Third, use of domestic currency. When government is taking loan, internal loan, that is in rupees, and external debt is use of foreign currency, that is in the other foreign currency. Fourth, less complex for management, that is there is no need for rigorous ways or any other difficult procedures, but as far as external debt is concerned, more complex for management. There are lots of procedures and all. So this is what you have to understand, the difference between internal debt and external debt. Internal is within the boundaries of the country, and external is like from other parts or other countries or International Monetary Fund or World Bank, etc. So this is only very simple, two types of debt, internal debt and external debt, and the difference between internal and external debt. The meaning of public debt. Public debt is nothing but the debt government takes in various forms. Thank you very much.